Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to add, change or remove a picture password to your laptop on Windows 11. First, open Windows 11 settings. Then choose the Accounts option. After that, choose the Sign-in options. Before setting up a picture password, you have to set up a password. Picture password is a new way to help you to protect your touchscreen PC. You choose the picture and the gestures you use with it to create a password that's uniquely yours. Click on Add to add a picture password. Enter your password. Then choose your picture. Drag your picture to position it the way you want. Then, click on Use this picture or choose New Picture. Draw 3 gestures on your picture. You can use any combination of circles, straight lines, and taps. But you have to remember the size, position, and direction of your gestures, and the order in which you make them become part of your picture password. After you finish, you can use it the next time you sign into Windows. You can also change the picture password or remove it if you don't want it anymore.